welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. This is kind of requested but not requested, mostly suggested. I have been trying a lot of skincare, hair care related things. I wanted to try something new. So I went and ordered 3 dresses from Meesho under 500. I just ordered 3 for now because I was not sure about the sizes. In each brand I have different sizes. Also something good now is in Meesho you can add many things, like you can order many things at once. Before it was not like that. So that is something nice in Meesho, because before I still remember when I tried Meesho for the first time and I had different items in cart, I had to like book each and every one separately, but now it's not like that, so it's a good thing. Okay, now let's get started with the video. This is the first one I ordered. This is what I ordered and this is what I got. Ta-da! I love the color. General purple is kind of like my favorite color, like purple black, and this is like wine. So also I had to return this and exchange for a smaller size because again I was not sure about my size and I had ordered some other size and I had to exchange it to get the one. This is how it looks. Pretty decent enough. Like even the quality, it's not bad, worth the money. You also have different color options in this. The material is very soft and very comfortable. So let's move on to the second one. So this is what I had ordered and this is what I received. Also I like the sleeve of it because it's like it gets tied over here and it's again loose over here. And the color is very cute. Also this, you can wear it as a top or you could wear it off shoulder. This one over here, if you pull it, you can kind of adjust deepness. I would have put all the product IDs below in the description box below, and if you did like any of it, go order yourself one. Moving to the third one, the last one. So what I ordered, this is what I got. I don't know what style this is called, but I just like the opening. It's like free slow motion videos you can do. You walk and do this. It's kind of pretty cool. So these are the 3 dresses that I got from Meesho, and this was my first time shopping dresses in Meesho and I'm completely satisfied with these dresses. Please do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do more such Meesho finds or Amazon finds or Myntra finds or any dress haul or anything to try new. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.